how to edit and change hometown on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open a VK and now click on your profile here and then click these 3 points. Now click edit profile, scroll all the way down and click profile, and here you will find your hometown, and if you want to change it just delete it and type any hometown you want, and then click this icon here to save it, and that's it. Now I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.